It's raining here today. Our porch is almost completely thawed out. Look at all the moss, or I guess like moss is green. I don't know. That will have to be taken care of. Yeah, it's actually raining. It's really beautiful. I like it right there. It's like creepy and foggy. It's really cool. This is right outside our kitchen porch. Editing some videos today of our trip and of Sylvia's birthday celebration. And Silas is not feeling too well today, so he's having a yogurt and watching a show, and he'll probably take a nap soon, but I will be right there chilling, looking out my window, editing some videos.